Welcome back, first grade. I hope you had a great Monday off. Today is Tuesday, January 19th, and we are going to identify compound sentences and compound questions. We are going to do this by reading sentences and circling the compound statement and interrogative sentence that we see. Why are we doing this? So we can become better writers. There are types of sentences. There are simple sentences that show one complete main idea. Marvin and I went fishing. One sentence, one idea. Okay? Then there are compound sentences that combine two simple sentences together with a comma and a conjunction. For example, we have a simple sentence plus a conjunction plus a simple sentence. Marvin and I went fishing, comma, and we caught 2 big fish for dinner. So compound sentences you can think of as a simple sentence plus another simple sentence. Okay? The first sentence has a comma after it, and then in the middle you're going to use and, but, or. Then you're going to write your other simple sentence, and a sentence that tells you something ends with a period, right? So a compound sentence is 2 simple sentences. How many? 2. They are joined together by a comma, this hook-looking thing here, and a conjunction. A conjunction is the word and, the word but, and the word or. Okay, you're going to pick one of those to put between your 2 sentences. Let's look at an example. So this is a compound statement. That means it's telling you something and it's going to end with a period. Our team played well. That is a simple sentence. That's one thought all by itself. That could end with a period and be perfectly fine. But we want to make it better. So we're going to add a comma and the word but, and another sentence. We could have done better. So let's read that together. Our team played well, but we could have done better. Since that is a telling sentence, you end with a period. But don't forget the comma here, because that separates this sentence from this sentence, and the conjunction. Our team played well, but we could have done better. Okay? Here is another compound statement. We can watch a movie, comma, or we can play cards, period. You have a simple sentence, a comma and a conjunction, and, or, but, and another simple sentence followed by a period. Very good. You can also have compound questions. You have a simple question plus another simple question. And it is joined by a comma and a conjunction. There's the comma, and, but, or, then another question. Here is a compound question. It says, who knocked at the door, comma, and what did they want? Question mark. So the first question says, who knocked at the door? You could put a question mark right there and be done. But we want to make it better. So we're going to add a comma and another question. What did they want? Another compound question looks like this. Did our team play well, or could we have done better? Okay, so you have a simple question connected by a comma and the word or with another simple question. Okay, let's try to make a simple question. A compound question. Here is a simple question. Will the cat catch the mouse? See the question mark? It's a perfectly fine question. But we want to get rid of that question mark and make it a compound question. We want to trade in the comma and use and, but, or to combine this sentence. Will the mouse escape? So let's try these words in the blank and see which one sounds the best. Will the cat catch the mouse and will the mouse escape? No. Will the cat catch the mouse, but will the mouse escape? Will the cat catch the mouse, or will the mouse escape? Or sounds better right there. We want to know if the cat is going to catch the mouse or if the mouse is going to escape. So we're going to combine these two questions with a comma and the word or. Ready? Bam! Will the cat catch the mouse, comma, or will the mouse escape? Notice what I did here. I took away that capital letter because it's not the beginning of the sentence anymore. So that, adding the word or and a comma, are the only changes you need to make. Now let's look at a compound sentence. This is a telling sentence, so it's going to end with a period. Leo wrote a poem. I drew a picture to go with it. This is a simple sentence. It can stand alone. But we're going to put it together with another simple sentence to make it better. So Leo wrote a poem, comma, and I drew a picture to go with it. But I drew a picture to go with it, or I drew a picture to go with it. If you said and, you are correct. Leo wrote a poem, and I drew a picture to go with it. There it is. Take away the period and add a comma. Leo wrote a poem, comma, and I drew a picture to go with it. Okay? You have a simple statement plus a simple statement connected with a comma and. All right, let's review compound sentences. So compound sentences, remember, combine two simple sentences or two simple questions, and then you have a comma and, but, or. That's called a conjunction. So these big old eyeballs here tell you to look for a comma in one of these words, and, but, or. If you see a comma, and, but, and or, it's probably a compound sentence. So your directions for you today are to circle the compound statement or the interrogative sentence in each question. So let's take a look at number 1. It says, take a nap, comma, but do not sleep too long. Did we see a comma? Yes. Did we see and, but, or? Which one did we see? But, right there. But. Take a nap, comma, but. Do not sleep too long. So is number 1 a compound sentence? Yes, it is. So we're going to circle the compound sentence. Number 1 is a compound sentence because it's combining this simple sentence with this simple sentence using a comma and but. Okay? So what did you learn today? Woo, you learned a ton of stuff today. You learned that we can have compound sentences combining two simple sentences with a comma and a conjunction, and, but, or. You can also have compound questions combining a simple question with a comma and, but, or, and another simple question. Who knocked at the door is combined with comma and what did they want? Two simple questions combined to make a compound question. A compound sentence, Leo wrote a poem, I drew a picture to go with it, can be combined with comma and. Leo wrote a poem and I drew a picture to go with it. Then you are going to circle the compound questions and the compound statements and turn it into your teacher. Have a good day, boys and girls. Bye.